Welcome to our regular Operation Readiness series. Today's topic, we will touch on the plan for operational team hiring and mobilizations. In this OR process, I want to highlight two main points. The needs of operation manpower planning being prepared and detailed by function. The needs of detailed schedule, outlining all hiring and mobilization activities. The two main points and others, depending on your organization, will better transition the project into operation mode when it is ready. All these plans must be validated or approved by business unit to prevent issue in the future. If you're interested to learn more, please reach out to us. Thank you.